Yeah, till the end is green now. Till that's the Benin junction 8 to the challenge 8 plus 800. So we'll focus on this side. We can't get to this side, it's very bad. But it will allow the traffic to pass on this side. Focus on that side. So this and also that side is also
I've seen what they are doing, solid work, good work. But the problem I have with the level of speed. You see, people are crying on this road, and we just have to do something so that we can relieve them from it. Now he's talking about the second segment of the road, which is another 7 kilometers. Apart from the construction of the road, the drainage is also very much important, because they stop somewhere. The design, I don't know what kind of design is that somebody have to stop at the middle of town. Where is the water going to? So we are going to look into that also, so that we can take the drainage out of town, then take it out of town, so that we have a good road. Even when they finish construction, without proper drainage, we will not have a good road. So that is most key for us. People are crying over this road, so what else can we do than to do it? That is why we are out this evening to check and see the level of work done.
My name is Theo. I'm from CBC Global. We are the contractor of the Benin-Sapele road. Till now, our projects, including this 14 kilometers, 14 kilometers in town and also 7 kilometers out of town. Right now we're finished almost 1.7 kilometers pavement in town section, and also the stone base we finished another 3 kilometers in town, so excluding the pavement. And also we're planning to do this another 7 kilometers starting from the bridge till behind, and we have started. So it means we have two groups of people working simultaneously. So I think we could achieve something before the next rainy season.
As a commercial driver, because the road has been giving us tough time, we can't work very well. Anytime we are working, we'll be thinking, thinking of mess, so that thing will not happen to your vehicle. Like the area now, my new tire that I bought, the yellow bus at Jeep, that was the day they put stone. The yellow bus, but I'm very happy now that the government is doing it now. I hope God should give you the strength, the ability to finish up the work. Thank you very much.
The road is so bad, but seeing the governor here this evening means a lot. It means he has heard the cry of the people. I live on Sapele Road, and since I've been on Sapele Road, I've never seen the road like this. This has been the worst ever. But I'm so grateful to see Governor Okpebholo here this evening.